Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to do stop motion animation video. Okay? What is a stop motion? It's very simple. You take one photo and then another photo and then another photo and then another photo and then you put them all together and it looks like it's moving. Okay? So how are we going to do it? Come and see. They are going to come like little snakes, look for it and get it flat. Okay, but without our hands or without us being here. If you find a partner and you work with two people, but you can also do it with one person. What do we need? We need a telephone, a smartphone to make the photo everywhere. And don't worry because it's free. And later we are going to put the photos together. So since I have many friends, I can take one friend to help. And she will hold it very steady, okay? Not moving at all. You need strong arms. Do you have strong arms? Come. So we have the two things here, no? A little closer. Keep the phone like this, don't move it, and make photo when I tell you. And then make a photo. Okay. And then we move a little bit. Photo. Check our photos. Google Photos कहाँ है?
Gallery.
Here is. Okay. Google Photos. All our photos will be here. ठीक है? We have बहुत ज़्यादा photos. Okay. So we select now everyone. This one not because this our hands are here.
So everyone that you can use.
And then we click here in this plus, and then we select animation. And then let's see what is coming out. Yeah.
Wow.
You see it moving?
Yes.
Yeah. Ta-da! Make an animation that looks okay, huh? With only the phone and some photos. You can do with objects moving. You can use clay. Now, if you modify the clay and then the things are moving, or you can even make a drawing and then make a photo and then make another drawing with the arm moving and then make another photo and make another drawing and make another photo and then you can make it move also. Okay? So now it's your turn. And you can send me your animations and let's see what you come out with. Let's learn another one, more professional. We are going to use one app for stop motion. We are going to Play Store and we are going to look for Stop Motion Studio. Okay, I already have installed it. I can open it. And it's free. I started one project that is mouse versus lamp. It's very nice. I will show you later. But we are going to start one. We start one new movie. You have your camera and you have here a chai, for instance, and we are going to make the chai move. So how do we do it? We need to focus. Okay. If I click in the table will be focused and the cup will be a little blur. And if I tap in the cup will be focused. We start taking photo here, and then we move it a little bit, and then we take another photo, move it a little bit, take another photo.
Take a photo, move it, 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 photo.
Done. You can click on this triangle here when we are done to see what we have, and we can see our cup moving. There are many other controls in the interface, but I leave it for you to experiment and share with the rest in the comments. Maybe we can improve our stand, because I'm holding it with my hand and my hand is not perfect. So if we can make something with books to hold our phone or we can fix a glass on top of the things that they are moving, and then we put the phone on top of the glass so we can take only the pictures, and then at the same time moving the things below. We will have better quality. Good. Now let's go to sport. Then we stop. Let's go see the images, and here we have all our images. How do we export? We go back, then we have, here is my movie, it's called my movie. We long press, and then we click on share and export movie. We save as, working. It is generating the movie, and then we choose one of our file managers. I'm going to store it here. We choose a name. We put cup versus watch. We save. And then we can see our movie. We learn a couple of ways of making stop motion movies, and I invite you to make your own movies and send them to me, your animated GIF or your movies through WhatsApp. I will share my number. And the topic that I want you to make the movies is love. Okay? So up to you, whatever you want to do. But keep in mind, love. I'm wishing you all the love in the world. I say bye bye.